Alam ba natin na gagawin tayo ng ating Panginoon na isang hagdanan na hindi matitibag? Ibig sabihin, gagawin tayo na magiging strong, na parang eagle. At for us to note that Blessed Mother in Revelation chapter 12, you read it, chapter 12 verse 1 up to the end, na binigyan siya nagkaroon siya ng pakpak ng agila. At we are glad to say that our Philippine bird is eagle. So gagawin tayo mga Pilipino na magiging strong ever and ever. Yan po. Thank you.